Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to writing. I hope you're still thinking about those juicy hamburgers because we are going to use those to accomplish our objective for today, which is that we can draft and revise a paragraph that has a topic sentence, supporting details, and a concluding sentence. While we're drafting, I want you to remember using transition words. Transition words and phrases help link together two ideas. Without transition words and phrases, our writing would not flow smoothly. It would sound robotic. Here's an example of a paragraph without transition words or phrases. My favorite birthday was when I turned 10 years old. A few friends came over to my house. We ate lots of cake and ice cream and played tag in my backyard. I opened presents. I got a lot of awesome things, including the green shoes I really wanted. My 10th birthday was the best. It's not really a great example. Sounds very robotic. Let's take a look at an example of the same paragraph with transition words or phrases to see how it sounds much smoother. While I read, see if you can find the transition words. My favorite birthday was when I turned 10 years old. First, a few friends came over to my house. After greeting each other, we ate lots of cake and ice cream and played tag in my backyard. Then I opened presents. I got a lot of awesome things, including the green shoes I really wanted. All in all, my 10th birthday was the best. That sounds much better. Can you spot the transition words that allow this paragraph to sound much better? That's right. The author added first, after, then, and all in all. These transition words and phrases allow the paragraph to flow smoother because they help show the events that happened in time order. So all in all, these transition words and phrases really do help our writing to flow more smoothly. Let's take a look at another paragraph that doesn't have transition words. A caribou or reindeer has many special features that help it survive in the cold weather. It has a double-layer coat of fur to keep it warm. It has a nose that can sniff out food, even when it's buried in snow. It has hooves that help it swim and dig in the snow. Caribou can survive cold temperatures because it has a unique body. Sounds really choppy. Why does this paragraph sound really choppy? Well, notice that each supporting detail starts with the word it. So, all in all, this paragraph sounds a little robotic, which we don't want our paragraphs to sound like. Let's take a look at how we can make this paragraph better without sounding robotic and using transition words to help that. Here we go. Here is the same paragraph but with transition words. A caribou or reindeer has many special features that help it survive the cold weather. One feature is its double-layer coat of fur, which keeps it warm. Another helpful characteristic is its nose, which can sniff out food even when it's buried in snow. It also has hooves that help it swim and dig in the snow. As you can see, caribou can survive cold temperatures because it has a unique body. Did you notice how the transitions made the paragraph flow smoothly? I know I did. The paragraph did not sound as robotic. And the reason for this is because the supporting detail sentences did not all start with the same word, it. There were some variations of transition words thrown in there. They helped us understand the paragraph much better. Can you spot those transition words? Here they are. We use the transition word one, another, also, and the phrase as you can see. They also really helped us to identify our three supporting details, which are the helpful features that a caribou has. It's kind of like a train. You have your topic sentence, your supporting detail, your other supporting detail. But none of them are connected. There's nothing holding them together. So if they were to go down the train tracks, they would not all travel together. If we add some pieces in between each car, then they'll roll down the train tracks together and everything will be connected and flow much more smoothly. Much better. Each piece is like a transition word or phrase. It helps connect one idea to another. There are many different transition words that you can use. First, another, however, also, next. There's even more. How do you know which transition word to use? It all depends on the kind of paragraph that you're writing. You can use this handout to help you decide which transitions to use. If you're looking to show order of events, you can use all of these transition words here. If you're looking to add additional information, these transition words are great to use. If you're proving a point, check out these ones in this box here. If you're emphasizing a fact or a reason, adding more attention to it, take a look at these transition words. We even have transition words for comparing and contrasting in these two boxes here. We have some transition words to show your example, and finally transition words for your conclusion sentence. I'll go ahead and add all of these transition words and this worksheet in your Google Slides for your activity. So what is your task for today? You'll log on to Google Classroom and use your Hamburger pre-writing sheet in your Google Slides to draft or write for the writing task, which is how we can help make the world a better place. And you'll want to make sure you use transition words. I'll go ahead and show you right now. Here are your Tuesday Google Slides for writing. You'll have the click here link to watch this video, the one I'm creating right now. Then you will use your pre-writing Hamburger graphic organizer to write a rough draft. Make sure to use transition words. So your pre-writing Hamburger graphic organizer is just on the previous slide. It looks like this. At this point, you should have it completely filled in. You can even use what you have typed here on your pre-writing as a basis for your rough draft. If you would like, when you're not in present mode like me, and you have this view, you can copy your sentences onto your rough draft slide. So by doing so, I will start with a main idea sentence here. There are many ways to make the world a better place, period. If this is the sentence that I have as my topic sentence on my pre-writing, I can click and drag to select it all, hold down the Control button, which is CTRL, and the C button to copy it. Once I've done that, I can click on slide 7, click inside the text box, hold down the Control button again and the V button to paste it. Now I don't have to waste time retyping each sentence, and I'll have a great basis to start. At that point, I can refer to slide 6 for those great transition words to add them into my paragraph on slide 7. Now, you do not have to copy and paste all of your sentences. You can retype, or you can use them as a starting point or an idea to add in new, juicier sentences. So just to recap, after viewing the video and all of the examples, you'll go to your Hamburger writing assignment, review your pre-writing outline, and use that as a basis for the whole paragraph rough draft. You'll want to make sure that you have a topic sentence, 3 or more supporting detail sentences, a conclusion sentence, and great transition words. I can't wait to read your rough draft.